I've had this X10 Pro Omni RoboVacuum mop for 8 months now. I chose it because it truly mops and scrubs the floor instead of just dragging a wet cloth like other robotic mops. It also empties and cleans itself after each use. The intuitive app makes scheduling cleanings effortless and offers numerous customization options. The charging base is complete with separate containers for dust collection, clean water, and dirty water, requiring attention just once or twice weekly. It easily handles my entire 2,000 square feet main floor on a single charge, but automatically returns to recharge if needed. The vacuum suction power is impressive, leaving both hard floors and carpet spotless. I especially love how it intelligently lifts its mop brushes when transitioning to carpets or rugs. Its advanced sensors navigate around obstacles without bumping or tangling, so I haven't needed any boundary markers. For nighttime cleaning, it uses built-in lights to see its path, and its slim profile allows it to clean effectively under furniture. I am very happy with my purchase. My name is Gabby. Thanks for watching my review.